Hello, my name is eSoup, aka Specific Soup, or any kind of soup that you want. Today I'm doing a requested reaction to Warning by BAND-MAID. Now, I have heard of BAND-MAID before. They're a Japanese girl group rock band, and they all dress up as maids. It's in the name, right? I've probably heard little bits of their songs before. I know people react to them sometimes. I've seen them around the online sphere, but I've never really just listened to a song in full. So I'm really excited to check this out. And this is a request from Roger Chance 3902. And Roger says, BAND-MAID is a Japanese all-female hard rock band that dresses up as cafe maids and shreds, with a beer emoji. So thank you, Roger, for the request. I'm really excited to check them out, and without further ado, this is Warning by BAND-MAID. Oh. Broken glass. Oh! Car accident? Oh! Oh no, okay. I can see how the car accident happened. Ooh. Oh, I love that. Ooh! Okay, you didn't lie, Roger, they do shred. I don't know why, I don't remember anything of this band's sound, because I thought I had heard stuff by them, but now I feel like I'm going in with a blank slate. I guess I really just knew the thing about the maid outfits, and that was it. But this is awesome so far. I appreciate having the lyrics. Oh, we're just on top of the car now. We're having a Mad Max moment. I like the message of the song. Her vocals are great. Ah, yes. And here we are, we got the slow down moment. Ooh. Ah. Cool. Mm. That was awesome. That was everything I could have hoped for BAND-MAID, for an all-female hard rock band that dresses up as cafe maids and shreds. I mean, I guess it kind of is what it says on the tin. They did indeed shred while wearing maid outfits as BAND-MAID. That's their thing. But as someone who listens to like a lot of Japanese bands where like just costuming is kind of an inherent part of it, it almost like didn't even register with me. It's like, yeah, they're shredding. Like, I don't know. It's like, I guess they're wearing maid outfits. They look cool. Like, if I didn't come in and see the name BAND-MAID and have that expectation, not saying that I wouldn't notice, but it wouldn't be like the first thing I notice. I would just be like, this is a great rock band. You know what I mean? So, like, the maid thing is part of their thing, but it's definitely not something where, like, they wouldn't need the gimmick. They absolutely don't need the gimmick to just, sell the music that they do. That was great, and I would definitely be down to check out more stuff by them. I didn't pay attention to the lyrics for like the first third or so because I was just absorbing the music and having a good time, and it was like, it's a very fast-paced song. It was a little bit hard to like pay attention to both, but I started paying a little bit more attention after that point, and it just seems like a very uplifting song, but in like a rebellious way. Like, I'm not gonna follow your rules, I'm just gonna do my own thing, that kind of thing. So I like that too. And this song is from 4 years ago, so I would definitely be interested to see what they're doing now. But regardless of if it's a more recent song or an older song or whatever, if you have any requests for any BAND-MAID songs for me to check out, let me know, because I would love to see more of them. I really appreciated this, and thank you, Roger, for the request. This is eSoup, signing out.